As if releasing a range of breathtaking watches with perfect proportions and simple yet intricate elegance wasn't enough, Jaeger-LeCoultre have done it in the glorious luster of pink gold. The Master Ultra Thin Moon as a framework is an example of the ultimate modern dress watch. And while some people suggest that true dress watches don't have complications, it's hard to imagine anyone complaining about the added functionality here. In fact, it's hard to even call these complications functionality, although they do serve their purpose beautifully from a technical point of view. In my eyes, their first priority is eye candy. The point-to-date display forms a neat ring just below the center pinion and above the shrunken index at 6 o'clock, meaning that nothing is truncated or cut off. Within the ring shows the endearing moon phase display, with deep midnight blue enamel interrupted by the meticulously polished dots of pink gold stars and the matching shiny moon. The blue of the night sky is mirrored in the central seconds hand, which is blued and nicely ensures that the warm tones of the dial and case aren't overbearing as it sweeps around the watch. Really, there's nothing you could consider overbearing on this piece. The case is basically perfect, with a 39mm diameter and a lug-to-lug of under 46mm to fit on almost any wrist with grace. Of course, it wouldn't be called ultra-thin if it wasn't so. And while the 9.3mm thickness is quite slim, it appears even slimmer thanks to the vintage-style case profile, where the mid-case section is made slender so that the slight bulk of the display caseback is hidden. Through that sapphire caseback, you can see the Jaeger-LeCoultre Caliber 925AA, with tastefully lavish striped decoration across the skeletonized winding rotor and the movement itself. When held vertically, the pattern on the rotor aligns with the plates for a very satisfying effect. Technically, it's got some impressive specs too, even ignoring the point-to-date and moon phase complications. The power reserve is 70 hours, but there's only one mainspring barrel, and the frequency remains at 28,800 vibrations for that smooth Swiss sweep. It's little touches like that which make the watch even more wearable, and should be ready for you to wear it every weekday if you so choose. In regards to its versatility, it's got a lot more going for it than most solid gold watches. For starters, the water resistance is 50 meters. You wouldn't want to take it swimming, especially not on the gorgeous chocolate-coloured leather strap. But you don't need to hold your wrist under your jacket if you get stuck in some sudden downpour. The benefits of simplicity done well are that you can pair the watch with pretty much any outfit, where it blends in seamlessly in fancy dress and elevates casual wear to an unexpected level. While it is a precious metal, it's easy to imagine wanting to wear this every day, to borrow that sense of achievement which JLC themselves carry from creating such an outstanding watch.